EnglishFast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Complicated, own, report. Complicated. Complicated is an adjective. B1 learners usually know complicated. At B1, complicated describes something that has a lot of different parts. Complicated also means difficult to explain. Here are some examples. For many people, physics is a complicated subject. Even though it was a complicated problem, they solved it. The clock has many moving parts, so it is complicated to repair. Own. Own is a verb and an adjective. B1 learners usually know own. At B1, to own refers to belonging to a person. Here are some examples. One day, I want to own a Ferrari. He owns a large number of companies in the city. When his parents are out, he has to make his own dinner. Report. Report is a noun and a verb. B1 learners usually know report. A report is written or spoken information about a topic. Here are some examples. Their report is on his table now. When you finish writing the report, please email it to her. She asked them to report back with the information they had found. Now write some of your own sentences with complicated, own and report. Download the free B1 workbook sample from EnglishFast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.